Okay, well, I'm Avinash Misar, and I've been in technical textiles for almost like 1.5 decades now. I'm the chairman of Indian Technical Textile Association, and that's a quick one on me. Textile industry, of course, it's a very, very mature industry, almost 150 years old industry. It's been doing great, and we have everything in the country in textiles, from fiber to fashion, as what we all call. But more than the textiles, general textiles, in the last 2 or 3 decades, there has been a movement in technical textiles. And technical textiles is something which is related to the textile products, basically textile products, but application oriented or something. And the end customer could be an aeronautical company, could be railways, could be geotech, could be protective, could be anything. And these are all performance fabrics. When we call technical textiles, these are all performance related fabrics. And this industry has been growing in the last 3 decades in a big way. And currently within India itself, it is about $23 billion, which is significant, for 3 decades for the industry to grow and continually grow. And today, this is the only sector which promises you the growth of almost anywhere from 8% to 12%, depending on various verticals that you are looking at. And a couple of verticals are doing great. Geotech is doing great. Protective wear now is coming up more and more. Meditech is coming more and more, which is related to this show, which is occupational safety and health. So, there are many other areas where technical textile reshaping of composites is again a big thing which is happening around today. What you see, the Shatabdis and you see the aeroplanes and all, the Shatabdi trains are almost like the interiors, like the aeroplanes, because of the composites. No longer we use the normal fabricated structure. So, yeah, these are the things which are happening in technical textiles in a big way. The growth is happening, and currently at 23 billion, exports is one of the things which is being focused upon now, because the domestic consumption of technical textile has been so high so far that export is one thing which is going segment wise. We really don't lag. Exports is something which is market oriented. Yeah. So there are a couple of sectors which are highly export oriented where we have now put our foot. Yes. If you look at technical textile, the beauty of technical textile is started with Factech, it started with Agritech, it started with Geotech, which are all domestic consumption, such a huge domestic consumption in this area. And then finally moved to Industech, which is like, related to performances, variety of performances, coated fabrics, laminated fabrics, and aramids, meta-aramids, variety of things, in the specialty segment. So that segment is now not only in the domestic market but also in export. So the growth of that is going to take growth in the protective wear. Again, what you see, a lot of protective wear here. It's a huge market internationally. We can focus on technical textiles since 2014. And what happens is, to an extent that the technical textile has a joint secretary level person monitoring it.
Yeah, that's the
and
part.
Then the NTTM is there, which is again a very, very strong support system which is there. The TRAs which are there. There's again a COEs, so COEs for each of the verticals, That's the way things are happening in the country. And lot of research is happening, lot of research support is happening. Significant steps has been taken to make it very, very robust, It's not only just the commercial growth, but the robust growth which is needed, the infrastructural part of it. So the government has done a lot into this and it's continuing to do. And there is a good allocation which keeps going on in this segment, Today this is a buzzword. Technical textile is a buzzword. And probably the only interesting area for the investors also to look at. The beauty of technical textile is that you have,
lot of segments to work here.
Small investors can also come. Medium investors, small investors, somebody who wants to invest 20 crores, 25 crores, they can come in. And people who want to invest 300 crores, they can come. The industry target goal is to be the #1 in the world. We are in the top 5 in the world. The beauty of it again is that, we have manpower.
Yes.
technical manpower,
Technical
knowledgeable
manpower.
people. That's
Yes.
a strength. And infrastructure also, supply chain
Supply
also
chain.
is very strong. With all this kind of human assets and everything all around us, there's nothing stopping us.
Yes.
So I think that in this, trillions of dollars which are going to come in the coming
Yes.
times, the growth which is high growth that the Honorable PM has also been talking about,
Yes.
and we have been working about, and thought processes, strategic thought processes have been aligned. I think technical textile is going to play an immense big role into this. And I have no doubt that we are going to be among the top 3 in the world.
Most
And the intent, for example, carbon fabric. You look
Yeah.
at the intent of the government, look at the intent of a TRA. Today, the precursor for the carbon fabric and carbon to be produced, that is being done by our own TRA from Bombay, So that is something which is very, very interesting that our own scientists, our own people are working in the direction for the growth, So that is something which is going to be very instrumental.